After the onboarding process, that's where kind of the fun begins. We get into our normal, regular monthly rhythm. We like to call it in by the 10th, out by the 25th. As long as we have all the information by the 10th of the month to accurately categorize all the transactions, we're going to generate financial statements by the 25th of the month. Those financial statements are then used so that we can advise you on the business or develop tax strategies going forward. And in addition to having the books updated every month, knowing that they're accurate and timely, that's where the advisory conversations come in as well. We generally have 3 advisory conversations throughout the year with our clients. One is in the summertime. I like to call that the Circle the Wagons meeting. Let's get together, talk about how the business has been going so far, what you might be planning for the second half of the year, so that we can appropriately strategize around tax strategies for that. The second conversation will happen in the fall. That conversation is a little more substantive, I'll call it, because now we've got 3/4 of the year under our belt and we can do very good tax projections for the rest of the year. And if there are things that we're going to suggest we do to minimize your tax obligations, we want to give everybody enough time to make thoughtful decisions around what that will be. We don't want to call you up on the 26th of December and say, oh man, you got to go out and do something, whether it's, maybe spend some money because the revenue was really good. We're looking for deductions. We want to give you more than a week to be able to make thoughtful decisions around that. And then the third conversation typically happens between the business return getting done and your personal return getting done, because at least the IRS in their infinite generosity gives us until April 15th on the personal side to affect our tax obligations. So if you'd like to learn what it's like to work with us, please click on the Let's Talk button on our website. Thank you.